May di baga.
Ko yung ginipas na ko niya.
So guys,
mo?
andito na ngayon. Papatapos na kami magluto ng spaghetti. At ang susunod naman, pansit. Magluluto kami ng pansit.
Mawaral na to sa mo. Mga di nag-exist.
Napakasarap.
Anong masabi mo, Brent?
Masasabi ko lang ay Happy New Year and
Merry Christmas.
enjoy your
Blessings.
Allah, enjoy your blessing.
Support your parents.
Wait, yun lang.
And thank you for all the blessings.
Wala, kulang ito man.
Look at me.
Look and listen and learn.
I just want to say that Happy New Year and I hope
are finally so making up someone else
we just
or
cooking
justify and verify
spaghetti because we're just tambaying in our tambayan and that's what I
Eat because we
Jollibee.
I talk and this is the second our cooking. That's what we call the pancit bihon and this is this is
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass.
Kikiam.
sago. That's what we call the kikiam in the Philippines.
Kikiam is very important.
But what the hell, boy?
This is what we call the lard cube. This is
Chicken cubes. So,
this is
North and
this this
in manok.
this is making delicious
Pinakuluang manok
taste
na
of
libat
our
niya luya.
and that's what we call garlic and onion.
Garlic and
And
garlic.
you see this?
This is
This is what
sword.
this-
Oy, the subject na.
No.
No.
So making taste taste.
Rasa-rasa.
Go taste it.
Uy. Paso-paso.
Isurdan niyo ito.
Balak ka. Ay,
Very
nadidesign mo.
delicious.
Kaya sila lang magkawagran kami po ang topic.
Pero kami mga inulit kami.
Ang sarap! Ang saya!
And
Ato, pingkin! Ay, daw si Ton! Ken! Magwala niya nila. Kayo kay nananam.
look at me. This is our result of our cooking.
Magnanam na niyan sa
And
buwan.
taste.
What is your result?
It's so yummy because our chef is so good in cooking spaghetti.
Shipping is Bernabe Doctor and
And what we call
Brian
her name is Bernabe Lobos, Doctor.
Yan, dali ako.
And
Kade, please. Please, agi-agi because eating without.